All right, guys, we're back with another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. I am your host, Rachid Kareem Shatty, and I am here today at BESTIES Vegan Paradise. This is a vegan grocery store market sort of thing. Today I'm gonna try out a Dirty Vrank. This is a Vrank with a V, and that V is for vegan. This is a vegan hot dog with vegan nacho cheese on top. Let's see if this Dirty Vrank can compare to a ballpark Frank. I've got my Dirty Vrank right here. First impressions, it looks like a gourmet hot dog. We've got the nice pretzel bun, got the soy gluten dog, the cauliflower hemp nacho cheese. The presentation's 10 out of 10. It looks like a great dog. Does it pass the taste test? Only one way to find out. This right here, this Dirty Vrank, this dog is all bark and only a little bit of bite. It's pretty bland, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's as if you took one of those giant pretzels and a ballpark Frank and you fuse them together. The bun carries the dog. The soy gluten hot dog. Pretty good, there's kind of a smoky flavor to it that I enjoy. Texture's just like a hot dog. I'm not crazy about hot dog textures to begin with. God knows what they put in those things. But let's be honest, even with a regular hot dog, it's all about the toppings. Now we've got a great pretzel bun. We've got a nice soy gluten hot dog. The foundation of the dog is strong. But then we get to that cauliflower hemp nacho cheese, and I'll be honest with you, that's the weak link. I got excited when I heard nacho cheese, and if I'm being honest with you, the cauliflower hemp nacho cheese does not pack enough flavor for me. With this hot dog, I feel that if you put on the right toppings, throw a little ketchup and mustard on here, I'm sure I'll love it. Listen, if you're looking for a vegan hot dog, this is a great vegan hot dog option. They nail the texture, they've got a great bun. I even like the smoky flavor of the hot dog. And when it comes to nacho cheese, I have high standards. And for me, the cauliflower hemp nacho cheese let me down a little bit. For me, I'd go with the classic. With some ketchup and mustard, it might be fire. All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you all so much for watching, and tune in again next week for another episode. We'll see you guys.